Pure is considered to be the world leader in the development and application of technologies and solutions for buried infrastructure management. We have invested a lot of money in research and development to develop new technologies to help understand the condition of buried pipelines. And right now we believe we're the world leader in the water sector, and we're increasingly establishing a very strong position in the oil and gas pipeline sector.
You know, I think the long-term drivers in our business are here to stay. Our aging pipelines in the water sector are only going to get older. And it's not possible either physically or financially to replace them all. On the oil and gas side, you know, safety, containment of the pipelines is always going to be an issue, and as more pipelines get built, that environmental theme will continue to be at the forefront. That's a social license to operate.
Fundamentally, the oil and gas inspection sector and the water sector are not dissimilar. They have similar challenges in understanding the condition of their pipelines. So the basic technology platforms that we develop can be interchanged between the two sectors. In addition, I think the oil and gas sector has the benefit of being highly regulated, where these inspections are mandated. And that really is a terrific driver for our business in the oil and gas sector. In the water sector, it's lightly regulated, so the value proposition is what's important to our clients.
I would say that the last couple of years for Pure have been transitional for Pure. You know, as we move ourselves from being a smaller company into a mid-sized company.
We maintain trusted relationships with some of our key clients, WSSC in the Baltimore area, Miami-Dade, and we continue to increase the number of utilities with which we establish these long-term relationships. We also carried out an important validation of one of our technologies in Holland last year in front of 14 water utilities that were part of a third-party evaluation of our pipe diver technology. It was very successful. Wax Water Services, which we acquired in April 1st, 2015, had a tough year, the first year of the acquisition. However, we believe we've turned the corner on that, and their bookings year over year as of the end of the year are up 31%, and we believe that's an indication that their core business is recovering. At the end of the year, we acquired EMAC, which is an oil and gas pipeline inspection company that will work with our Pure HM group to help increase our market share in that area and bring additional capabilities to the group.
Maintaining a strong balance sheet is really core to our business. At the end of the year, we came out with about $5 million of cash. We had $10 million of unused credit lines. We have a $20 million acquisition facility available to us. We do have the dry powder and the capital to do acquisitions, but at the forefront of what we do is maintaining a conservative balance sheet.
Throughout the last year, we've introduced several important iterations of our existing platforms, including the introduction of a pipe diver enhancement that allows us to inspect very large pipelines. In fact, we completed our first project with that tool in January of this year. We've also introduced a new generation of our robotics platform, Pure Robotics G3, which again broadens the range and the extent of pipes that we can inspect. And we're continually developing information systems to make use of the data we collect and really to provide valuable, actionable information to our clients to help them make informed capital planning decisions.
It's the opportunity to work with really smart people. You take that in a company that's a first mover in the water space, that's disruptive in the oil and gas space, and combine that with, I guess, my own personal philosophy of leaving the world in a better place than how you found it. It all really works for me. It's a really interesting place to work with really bright people.